Hey there, science fans! Are you ready for an exciting journey? Today we're diving into the amazing world of cells, the tiny powerhouses of life. Get this, cells are the basic units of life, the building blocks that make up every living organism. That means everything living thing you can think of, plants, animals, even you and me, is made up of these tiny, incredible structures. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, cells are everywhere. Think of your body like a giant Lego structure, a complex masterpiece built from simple pieces. Each Lego brick represents a single cell, a fundamental unit. Just like millions of Legos come together to build something awesome, trillions of cells work together to make you. Imagine the coordination and teamwork involved. Now you might be thinking, cells? Tiny? I can't even see them. How do they do so much? And you're right, they are super small, almost invisible to the naked eye. We need powerful microscopes to see them, tools that magnify their tiny world. But don't let their size fool you. These tiny units are incredibly complex. Cells are like miniature factories, buzzing with activity, constantly working to keep us alive. They have specialized parts, or organelles, that work together to keep you alive and kicking. Each part has a unique role, like a well-oiled machine. Let's explore these fascinating structures and uncover the secrets of life at the cellular level. Imagine a cell as a bustling city, teeming with life and activity. Just like any city, it has boundaries, different neighborhoods, and a central command center that keeps everything running smoothly. Let's explore these key parts: the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus, each playing a crucial role in the cell's function. First up, we have the cell membrane, a vital component of the cell. This acts like the city walls, controlling what goes in and out of the cell, ensuring the cell's environment remains stable. It's like a gatekeeper, letting in essential nutrients and oxygen while keeping harmful substances out, maintaining the cell's health. Inside the cell membrane, we find the cytoplasm, a dynamic and essential part of the cell. This is like the city itself, a jelly-like substance where all the action happens, bustling with activity and processes. It's home to various organelles, each with its own specific function, which we'll learn about soon. And finally, at the heart of our cell city lies the nucleus, the city hall, the control center of the cell. This important organelle contains the cell's genetic material, which acts like the city's blueprints, guiding the cell's activities. These blueprints determine the cell's traits and functions, ensuring the cell operates efficiently and effectively. Let's take a closer look at the cell membrane, our city's gatekeeper. This vital structure is crucial for the survival and function of every cell in our body. This amazing structure is made up of a double layer of special fats called phospholipids. These molecules are unique because they have both water-loving and water-fearing parts, which helps them form a stable barrier. These phospholipids form a barrier that's both strong and flexible, like a sturdy yet stretchy fence. This flexibility allows the cell membrane to change shape and move without breaking. But it's not just a solid wall. The cell membrane is dynamic and constantly in motion, allowing it to adapt to different conditions. The cell membrane has tiny gates, called proteins, embedded within it. These proteins are crucial for controlling what enters and exits the cell. These proteins act like security guards, carefully checking molecules trying to enter or exit the cell. They ensure that only the right substances get through. Some proteins act as channels, allowing specific molecules to pass through easily. These channels are selective, only letting certain molecules in or out. Others act as pumps, using energy to move molecules against their natural flow. This process is essential for maintaining the cell's internal environment. This selective permeability is essential for maintaining the cell's internal balance. It ensures that the cell has the right conditions to function properly. Think of it like this. The cell membrane ensures only the right citizens and supplies enter and exit the city, keeping everything running smoothly. This careful regulation is what keeps the cell, and ultimately the entire organism, healthy and functioning. Now, let's step inside the cell and explore the cytoplasm, the bustling city center. Picture a crowded marketplace filled with vendors, shoppers, and goods being transported. That's kind of what the cytoplasm is like. This gel-like substance is where all sorts of cellular activities take place. It's a watery environment that allows molecules to move around freely, like boats navigating a busy harbour. Within the cytoplasm, we find a network of protein fibres called the cytoskeleton. This network acts like the city's infrastructure, providing support and shape to the cell. It also helps with transportation, acting like roads and highways for moving molecules within the cell. So whether it's transporting nutrients, building proteins, or breaking down waste, the cytoplasm is where the action's at.